Do you own a washing machine? Are you happy with how chemical detergents and bleaches clean your laundry? If you think there's only one way to get your clothes and linens clean, take a closer look. Does your laundry smell fresh, or is it just masked by artificial fragrances? Do your new clothes look faded and worn after only a few months? Do you need to use fabric softeners to keep your clothes feeling soft? And have you ever thought about the amount of money you're spending each year doing such a simple chore? According to the U.S. Department of Energy, the average American household does around 392 loads of laundry per year. By the time you add the cost of detergent, fabric softener, water, and energy, you're paying up to $1.50 per load. That adds up to $588 each year. Now, think about how much money you spend each year replacing clothes that have become worn and faded in the wash. It really adds up. This expensive process of washing clothes in a machine has remained unchanged for decades. Until now. Introducing Laundry Pro 2.0, a Beyond by Aris technology. An earth-friendly, natural technology that works with your existing washing machine to clean your clothes gently and economically, all without the need for detergents, softeners, or bleaches to clean effectively. You'll start to notice how your towels stay softer and fluffier, that dark fabrics hold their colors longer, and whites are brighter than ever. Even better, with Laundry Pro 2.0, you don't even need hot water. It's designed to work with cold water only. And because about 90% of the energy used for washing clothes goes toward heating the water, you'll really notice the savings, up to $470 per year for the average family of 4. You also protect yourself and your family from the chemicals and synthetic fragrances that can aggravate skin and leach into the water supply. With Laundry Pro 2.0, you'll never have to worry about the 30-plus gallons of chemical-laden water that disappear down the drain with each load. And you can free yourself from the chemicals from detergents and fabric softeners that can irritate your skin. Did you know that laundry detergent can build up inside your washing machine, creating a food source for bacteria? That very bacteria can cling to the inside of your washing machine and contaminate the very clothes you're trying to clean. Because Laundry Pro 2.0 uses only hydrogen and oxygen-based oxidizers, there's no gunk to build up on the inside of your machine or slough off on your clean clothes. Laundry Pro 2.0 and its exclusive Active Pure technology is based on a variation of technology originally developed in cooperation with NASA for use on the International Space Station and is recognized as an exclusive partner in the Certified Space Technology Program. Instead of scrubbing your clothes like traditional detergents, Laundry Pro 2.0 gently and thoroughly lifts dirt from between the fibers using only hydrogen and oxygen-based oxidizers. This means no more fading colors, waxy soap residue, or chemicals left behind. For super tough stains, you may opt a pre-treatment, but you only need a tiny fraction of what you would normally use to see the same great results. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency washing machine, Laundry Pro 2.0 makes cleaning your clothes smart and easy.